Tonight on Breaker Boy's Garage, welcome to the office. We are doing a stealth pipe on the Bagg-Her. Our buddy Steve, owner and founder of Stealth Pipes, hooked us up with a sick polished pipe for this bad boy. Woo! So, you know what we gotta do first? Get ready, and then get to the action. Cheers. Best part about this, I got my boy Matty over here, Stealth Pipes rider. Help us out in case we need anything. And then of course, as always, Breaker Boy's lead mechanic, Mario. Cheers, motherfucker. Oh yeah, we're ready to install a pipe. This is why Steve at Stealth Pipes is so tight. He writes you a little letter.
Little love now.
All hype, dude. Thanks for the support. Look forward to working with you and hanging in the future. Boom, Stealth Steve, Stealthy Steve. What do you say, Maddie?
Love it.
Love it.
Love it.
Woo, boys. Look at that polished stealth. Step. By the way, this is a 100th anniversary Road Glide, 2003. First step, we are going to take the baggies off.
Yeah, don't forget about that stuff.
Take off the baggies. These fucking Zeus clips. Look at the help I have today. Holy shit, this is great.
Finally someone that looks decent.
Yeah.
Good looking help.
God, I got some handsome help. So you got these two Zeus clips inside. Boop. Quick spin and a popper offer. Next up, take your little side covers off. Put them in a safe place where they don't get scratched. The Breaker Boy shops, it's really hard to find those kind of areas, but find them here and there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take these little fuckers off. We use a 5/16, or you can also use a flathead. You know, worst case scenario. First order of business, remove all heat shields from this ridiculous exhaust that comes stock on these bikes. What do we got here, Mario? Breaking loose the floorboard bolt.
3/8 ball Allen. Yeah.
3/8 ball Allen. You know? Mario, removing the floorboard. Shot break! I think one of the best parts about having a crew is I can just take shots while they work on my bike.
Fuck you.
Over here, we got Mario taking off the floorboard so we can get better access to everything.
7/16.
7/16 wrench and a
3/16 Allen.
And a what?
3/16 Allen.
3/16 Allen. There are about 15 to 20 goddamn stupid heat shields on this thing. So just keep plugging away at the heat shields. What do we got here?
9/16 exhaust fan. And a 1/2 inch over here on this.
And then
one.
a 1/2 inch right here. And repeat on the other side. Take off this bracket right behind the motor.
Sorry.
Next, go on the other side, take off the bracket that's on the starter. Jiggle it, jiggle it. Next up, 2 7/16, one socket, one wrench for this center exhaust clamp. Then spread these out, take off your header bolt. 1/2 inch. After you get your exhaust, 3/4 way off, shot brake. Goodbye, you piece of fucking cheese. Sick. Later, fucking gator. Catch you later, Kelly. What up? So, back. It's the next day. We ran into a little bit of issue last night. Anything pre-06, that's a 5-speed, has this bracket on it. And you need after 06's bracket to work with Stealth Pipe, which Stealth Pipe will be including a bracket in all of their Bagg-Her pipes from here on out, which is super dope. But to get to this last bolt, to get it off, you gotta take your clutch release cover off with 3/16 Allen. So you just pop that off. Make sure to drain all your fluid. Pop this off, get that bolt on, throw this bad boy on, and then start assembling your pipe. Lead mechanic Mario. Look at that shit. Oh, sneak peek, son. Cover. Now once you get that cover off, you can take that stupid little dick bracket off. Make sure to put that bolt right back in there, bud.
You got blue Loctite?
Don't forget to use your fucking trusty blue Loctite when installing the new bracket.
Oh, God, dude.
Oh my
Came out
God,
so
you
fast.
dipshits. Awesome. Look at that little perfect little dip,
Slipping it
dude.
up, dude.
Reuse your stock bolts. Bada bing, bada boom. Give him a good torque. What's the torque specs on that, Mario?
Oh, go ahead with the 24 or something. 24 foot-pounds. Yeah.
24 foot-pounds. See here, Breaker Boys, we just give her the good old former torque on everything. Not too hard,
Get the torque wrench in the toolbox.
not too light either. Some guys in the crew, man, they go fucking hard on the paint. Start breaking bolts and breaking girls. And Breaker Boy. Breaker Boys. I think we got our name, bro. Just cleaning up the...
Just gonna go ahead and
Give it a
use the
little
gas
smack.
can.
Just because It's a breaker.
Wintertime's coming. Wintertime's coming.
Yeah, it's breakable away. Blakes will fix it. If it ain't leaking, you ain't riding it hard enough. Don't forget your Loctite, dude. Shot brake. Now fill her up.
Like 22 ounces. 6-speed, 28 ounces.
He said it, I didn't. Now, insert the bung supplied by Stealth into the pipe. Give him the hefty torque. Yeah, brother. Next, put the muffler on. Lightly attach the rear bracket mount. This is like more rounded. That's a big boxy looking mount back there. It's hard because it's a stupid fucking GoPro, but that goes to the back, and the more rounded one goes on the front.
Mount goes underneath the stock bracket. Put the screw in through the top.
Once you have it all loosely fitted on, go ahead and tighten up the bracket to the exhaust.
Perfect for exhaust flange nuts, little wobble socket, 1/2 inch, or wobble extension, which is a 1/2 inch socket, boom. Nice and long so you don't hit the bike.
It'll fit right in there. Once you're done, just tighten up your head bolts.
And the middle bolt.
Make sure tighten all the middle bolt on the bracket and this back bolt. And you're good to go, baby. Stealth pipes, Bagg-Her, Prio 6, 5-speed. And that's a beautiful Stealth pipe with a beautiful chest. Okay, here we go. This thing sounded like it absolutely was nothing before. That is a whole new bike. Oh my god.
Change this out.
No, I can't get rid of this.
Well, you just get changed.
I'm just kidding. You're going, peace.
Bro, take another shot.
A fucking glass. Or a little fucking burp ski in there, dude. Hit it up with a little swizzle to the sea. Look, I beat his ass so bad, he's still on the ground.
It's my happy place. It's comfy.